Snow hits the UK. Snow and freezing rain have blanketed parts of the UK, with some areas under amber weather alerts and expected to face significant damage. Northern England, the Midlands and Wales are among the worst hit areas, with some places receiving between 20 and 14 centimeters of snow. In the early hours of Sunday, runways at Manchester and Liverpool airports were closed while crews worked to clear the snow. The roads are not easy, visibility has deteriorated and the roads are slippery, which has caused some accidents. The areas include many parts of Wales, as well as the western, central and southern counties of England, including Gloucestershire, Wiltshire, Hampshire, Surrey and Oxfordshire. Bristol Airport has suspended flights until Saturday evening.